Hello, my name is Devin Easterlin. I'm the co-founder here at SJA Property Management and Sterling Johnson Real Estate. The purpose of these video series is to provide education and information on investing in real estate. My goal is really to help simplify the process and help more people feel comfortable investing and owning real estate properties. Today, I'd like to talk a little bit about determining whether you should sell your property or keep it as a rental. What should we be thinking about? As we all know, the real estate market is really hot right now. This has many of even our clients wondering if cashing out makes sense for them or if should they keep it. First, I'd like to explore the benefits of selling. The main benefit is that you get to cash out your equity you may have in the property and potentially preserve that homeowner tax exemption. You also relieve yourself of any liability that may come from owning a rental. And lastly, you can use those proceeds to invest in a more passive asset class such as stocks or bonds. Given these benefits, I can see how people may want to sell. However, once we do a deeper dive into the advantages of keeping a rental, we believe that it's a better option for those looking to create long-term wealth. First, owning real estate allows you to diversify your investment portfolio rather than having all of your investments in stocks or bonds, say in a 401k. Real estate also can provide passive income in the form of monthly cash flow. Even if after running your numbers, the cash flow is low or non-existent, you need to make sure you're factoring in principal paydown, meaning how much of your mortgage debt is getting paid down by your tenant, which is really powerful. There are also numerous tax efficiencies to take advantage of, including depreciation, interest deduction, operating deductions, really beneficial from a tax perspective. Next, keeping your property gives you options. You can move back into it, you can sell it later, you can sell it and move the equity into a different real estate property, such as a multifamily building. We see a lot of clients doing that. Real estate also has a great hedge against inflation. Even as prices increase, assuming that you have a fixed rate mortgage, your payment remains the same. Lastly, you can take advantage of property appreciation, both forced and natural. This can be very powerful once you factor in leverage. Let's go through this a little. If you own a property and it appreciates at, say, 10%, you're not making 10% on that initial investment like you would in the stock market. You're making 10% on the total value of the property, even if in the beginning you only contributed 20% of your own cash for the purchase. Let's look at an example of this. Say you buy a house at $500,000 and it goes up by 10%, which would be $50,000. When you purchase the home, you put $100,000 in as your down payment, 20%. Therefore, the return you receive on your initial cash was 50%, going from $100,000 to $150,000. Pretty hard to match in the stock market, where you can expect to see 8% return over time. That's the power of leverage, and that's why we love it so much. As you can see, there's quite a lot of benefits in holding your property as a rental. We believe that owning real estate is the best way to create lasting wealth over time. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like it so more people can benefit from it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.